Ready. The argument of the learned counsel for the petitioners is that the vacancies which occurred in the year 2011 and were advertised by advertisement dated 15/7/2011 are liable to be filled up by following the procedure as provided under the rules of 2008. He has made this submission from different angles by submitting that even though such vacancies are cancelled subsequently and re-advertised by now advertisement dated 14/5/2013, however, the vacancies as noted above are liable to be filled up by following the rules of 2008 and the rules of 2013 as notified on 9/4/2013 will not apply on such vacancies. The rules of game cannot be changed midway and the above mentioned vacancies are liable to be governed by the rules of 2008 and not by the rules of 2013, even though the petitioners have appeared in the selection process. Still, it is open to them to challenge the advertisement dated 14/5/2013 as there can be no estoppel against the law, and the settled law is that the rules as applicable on the date of initiation of recruitment process, i.e. the date of advertisement, will apply. No separate order cancelling the earlier advertisement and earlier selection proceedings was passed by the state government. Hence, the rules as applicable in the year 2011, i.e. rules of 2008, shall apply to the vacancies as noted earlier. The fundamental right of the petitioners is involved and therefore they still have a right to challenge the advertisement dated 14/5/2013 and the selection proceedings undertaken in pursuance thereof. Learned counsel for the petitioners has relied upon various rulings of the Honorable Apex Court as well as of this court in support of his arguments, which shall be referred to subsequently. Para. Learned standing counsel at the very outset produced a copy of the government order dated 3rd September 2013 issued by the state government to indicate that the state government has decided to cancel the advertisement and the partial selection proceedings undertaken in pursuance thereof and has decided to undertake the selection proceedings afresh. It was also clearly provided that the vacancies which will occur till June 2015 due to promotion and retirement shall also be included in the aforesaid advertisement. A copy of the same is taken on record. He further submitted that admittedly the petitioners have already appeared in the selection process throughout and it is only when they found that they will not be selected they have come up challenging the advertisement itself and the selection process in pursuance thereof, which in itself is mala fide and is not permissible under the law. The submission is that after having taken chance in the selection and on realizing that they will be unsuccessful, they cannot be permitted to challenge the very norms on the basis whereof the selection was held. They cannot resile back after having participated in the entire selection process, and if at all they had any right to challenge the same. Such participation would amount to waiver of such right or objection on the part of the petitioners. Stop.